Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly release it. Again, breathing in deeply and breathing out completely. One more time, breathing in peace. Breathing out tension. Allow your breathing to find its own natural rhythm. As you become still, imagine a warm, loving light surrounding you. This light represents divine presence, infinite love, infinite wisdom, infinite possibility. Feel yourself resting safely within that presence. On this Father's Day, bring to mind anyone who has nurtured, guided, encouraged, protected, or believed in you. Perhaps it is your father. Perhaps it was your grandfather, uncle, teacher, coach, minister, mentor, or friend. Perhaps it was someone whose influence continues to bless your life even now. Take a moment to silently offer gratitude. Now imagine that all the wisdom, strength, courage, and love you have received throughout your life has become a beautiful light within your heart. See it glowing brightly. See it expanding. See it becoming part of who you are. As you rest in this awareness, remember that God has given you a sacred gift, the gift of imagination, the ability to see beyond appearances, the ability to envision healing where there is hurt, possibility where there is limitation, abundance where there seems to be lack, peace where there is uncertainty. Imagine yourself standing before a doorway. This doorway opens into the life your soul is calling you toward. A life of greater joy, greater purpose, greater peace, greater love. There is nothing to force, nothing to figure out. Simply allow yourself to see what Spirit will have you to know. What does that life feel like? What qualities are present? What blessings are waiting to be expressed? See yourself stepping through that doorway. Notice how natural it feels. Notice how supported you are. Notice how worthy you are. Allow yourself to receive the vision. Silently affirm, I see with the eyes of Spirit. My imagination is guided by divine wisdom. I am open to greater possibilities. I trust the good unfolding in my life. carry forward the wisdom, strength, and love that had been entrusted to me. And so it is. Now begin bringing your awareness back to this room. Notice your breathing. Notice the chair supporting you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Allow your shoulders to relax. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, returning to full awareness, carrying with you peace, wisdom, and vision of this moment. Amen.